Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever felt a bit unsure about which type of sign-up form to use in Mailchimp, this tutorial is for you. Today I'll walk you step by step through the process of picking the right form type, making sure you not only know where to click, but also understand the reasoning behind each choice. By the end, you'll be able to confidently select a form that fits your unique needs and grows your mailing list effectively. So let's dive right in. First things first, go to Mailchimp and log into your account. I know that's basic, but sometimes just finding where to start can be half the battle, right? Once you're at your dashboard, look to the sidebar or navigation menu for the option labeled Forms. This is your gateway to all the creative tools Mailchimp offers for capturing new subscribers. Now with Forms open, we're going to focus on creating a pop-up form. So click on the section that says Create Pop-up Forms. Pop-ups can be super effective for grabbing attention at just the right moment, like when someone's about to leave your site or after they've spent a little time engaged with your content. At this stage, you'll see several different form templates to choose from, but before rushing into one, take a look at the upper right corner. You'll notice an option called How to Select the Right Template. It's easy to overlook, but this is actually a goldmine if you're feeling uncertain. Give that a click, and you'll find that Mailchimp's Help and Support section jumps in to provide some solid suggestions. This part might take a few extra seconds, but it's absolutely worth it to read through. Let's walk through a few of the key tips Mailchimp suggests, because understanding these can make your form not just useful, but actually compelling for your visitors. The first suggestion is to use a template that fits your offer. This basically means that your form should match the kind of value you're providing. For example, if you're giving away a downloadable guide, pick a template that highlights this offer clearly. Think of your form as an invitation to a party. You want guests to know exactly what they're being invited to. Next up, consider the layout. The structure and organization of your form have a huge impact on whether people fill it out or close it. If you only need an email address, keep it simple. But if you want more details, use a template that can handle extra fields without overwhelming the user. It's kind of like arranging furniture in a room. You want everything to be functional, comfortable, and visually appealing. Another tip is to build your audience. Remember, the purpose of your form is to connect with more people who care about what you're offering. So choose a template designed to maximize signups, maybe one that allows for a quick, frictionless entry. It's also important to showcase your brand's image. Your form is an extension of your brand, so look for colors, fonts, and layouts that match your overall style. Think of it like wearing an outfit that fits your personality. Consistency helps people recognize and trust you. Next, consider how the structure of the form matches your needs. Do you want a simple one-liner or a more detailed questionnaire? Being intentional here ensures you get the information that's actually helpful for your business without annoying your potential subscribers. Lastly, use strong header copy. That means writing a clear, compelling headline that draws people in. This could be as simple as sign up for weekly tips or as specific as get your free marketing guide. Your headline is your handshake, make it count, and that's it. Once you've walked through these thoughts and explored the template suggestions, you're ready to pick the perfect form for your audience. Don't worry if it takes a little time to get it looking just right. Mailchimp gives you plenty of room to customize and tweak. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Mailchimp tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.